Hi, almost every Python learner start his or her first lesson as how to print Hello World. Print is quite a simple function. Let's discuss some of very interesting options of print command that you would love to use. I have used print command to print output of a list. It would print the list with brackets. If you want to unpack the elements of a list or tuple, just put star after the print function. You will get the unpacked elements of the iterable. Use separator option with quotation marks, and without any blank space, to remove any white space between the printed words. You may want to use slash to separate the words. Or you can also use any shape to show your output in more meaningful way. You may want to print output on separate lines. Do it by using new line character. You can double the line space by repeating new line character. You can also use tab character to insert tab space between letters. In some cases, you want to have a single line output instead of separate lines of print output, as in this case. You can achieve your goal very easily by inserting end option. Just use end option with empty quotation marks. The printout will be on a single line. You can also insert any text, like question mark, at the end of the first line. As used with separator option, you can insert the line space using new line character. Print command can be used along with fstring method. In the example, I shall print the value of x using curly brackets. Just insert bracket where you want your x value to be printed. The print statement will do the trick for you. In the previous examples, I have printed the output to the shell window of my Python interpreter. It is also possible to print your output to a text file. Just open a text file in write mode. Use print command to enter some sample text using file option of the print function. Save the output to the text file. Open the file again in read mode and read the file contents. The print output is same as you have saved to the file.